Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to clean and re-oil a K&N filter. So what we have to start by doing is removing the filter. This one is mounted just near the wheel well, so wherever your filter is you will have to go ahead and remove it. So as you can see, it's very dusty and dirty. So this is what you're going to need for cleaning your K&N air filter. I'll leave a link in the description so you can find it. It's just a K&N recharge kit. So you get the oil and you get the cleaner, which is also like a degreaser. So with the cleaner you can go ahead and start by spraying a bit on the inside. It'll be quite difficult because this is a cone type filter, but you spray whatever you can. Spray it all around there and then you can start coating the outside as per the instructions. So now with our cleaner we'll just go ahead and soak all of this. This is basically like a degreaser. Make sure you come nice and close so you get inside the grooves here, inside each of the pleats. It's quite important that the degreaser goes right inside. Once you're finished soaking the whole filter, let it sit for 10 minutes and then we'll move on to the next step, which is using a low pressure hose and cleaning off all this dirt from the inside. We waited 10 minutes, we'll go ahead and use a low pressure water and clean the inside. Always make sure to clean from inside out, never clean from outside to in. Once you've finished hosing off the inside, from inside to out, just dust everything off. If you have a bit of compressed air, you can use a little bit of compressed air and blow out whatever excess water you can. And then you want to leave it naturally in the sun to dry up before going to the final process, which we'll show you later on, which is oiling the filter. If you have access to a compressor, turn down your air pressure, just have it at a low pressure and then just blow off all the water from inside. It will speed up the drying process. Leave it out naturally in the sun to dry. Don't try and put it anywhere where there's excessive heat or something, just to speed up the process of drying. So just make sure you do factor that in when you are cleaning your filter, or if you do need to use your car, make sure you have a spare filter so you can let this dry properly. Just leave it in the sun and come back to it. Once your filter is fully dry, you can confirm it by blowing some compressed air or just feeling each pleat, making sure it's completely dry. Once it's dry, you can go ahead and oil it, and that's what stops all the dirt going in with these filters. It makes this nice and red, so then you know it's freshly oiled. So once the oil has gone everywhere, including the inside the pleats and inside all the valleys, you can just wipe off any excess. Get a clean rag or tissue and just wipe off all this excess here. And once that's done, you can go ahead and reinstall it in the car or whatever vehicle you're using it in. This is what it looks like when it's freshly oiled up. I'll put up a before picture so you can see what it looked like now. Yeah, so that's how you do it. Nice and simple. Good little reusable filter. So I hope this was of some help to you. If it was, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching everyone. See ya.